Presenting the 2013 Chrysler Town & Country. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. With low miles, this automobile will take you far and get you where you want to go. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.